Mama Akwaba, or friend me Adjoa searching Mesrel. Now I subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusa for any other sorry ya NDC for baku 50 and they almost extra say NDC party no party na kasano only the left from the right and only from the right to the left. Also and say who can no moka oka no would whatever. And Crawford extra some more party no so munya so faso dia NPP emu na de bi omo ba munya so faso so omo de omo apa omo achi ebedi Yesu Kristo nechi senya de ometimi ato aba de ama NDC ama yoko ni 2024 nti omo de omo join the NPP omo nyamia ne sisi omo fi NDC achi nya de ompa NDC bio omo apo NDC party because NDC party ni ba omo nya hwe o ka se bia won fa policies e bo Ghana wonye o kan so no bi watem tin for 50 NDC members omo resign from NDC omo be supporting NPP na 2024 party etimi omo etimi ato aba e de ama party na chese party na wi no mute omo party na wi no mo etimi e the good policies aba yenti nse omo de etija
say no grant yen to sabi but ye di NDC fu ati ache na NDC fu yo obi a odi omo achi a o ni obako efom na odi niama bi na say o ka chan say yedru ha ye besue na budru ho na say mutra akora na nemu ye den sana ye nia NDC fu etie odi omo achi a o yedru ha be yi enye honorable Obla Asaria kaminim say ahankresu your fire service for your immigration service your ejumo podi nyina bia ma ho nti ade nti na dem we pai ekoso na te menemi ni anu nyina say ye ba be come on na breaking of 8 no na ya breaking 8
ejato ho ama ono na ne ho ya den wo hwa boroswa no wo ya den a obetwa fa so wo ya den obetwa fa so. This is a situation we share political party na General Secretary Ifra Ashanti region National Organizer Ifra Ashanti region. These are two powerful positions. Sani pa mi enu so omo ye very strong mobilizers. Ashanti region mabuno titru omo was such a huge following. JFK any excuse me, Nana B. Then, what is this? You have your presidential candidate this time round. What taking on a free geographical area? Na anka NDC so anywhere. Now, so we should Northern Region voter. From 2008, I introduced Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia into frontline politics. What did to 2012? What did to 2016? How did to 2020? MPP a ho dia e wo sirimu so no apeja sa ebisi sabe no kase. Wale seat na ya NDC seat. Emra MPP Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eba 2008 yan winning 2012 ya G wale seat ebesi ne MPP afa. Enti won ho dey kofom. So the whole of the Western North, sorry, Western North. No, not Western North, Northeast. The whole of Northeast is nanka NDC na leading. So say MPP na Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo enya over 53%. Nasa na Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo abowra Northeast enya 53%. the son of the land, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, office obenya saying. Oh, yes. Na se Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo penso MPP parliamentary election dagbon 9 constituencies for MPP, 9 constituencies for NDC. Enti womu nua penny eba be presidential or friend saying candidate no dynamics no say na besi akọ. Why you very careful? More seats in Dagbon are going to fall for the New Patriotic Party.
As I order that no mko to Joma Gogono. Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni NPP discussion as a page on marginal money subim. Emu 211 and a newly built factories are yesi from scratch. So and only your friend greenfields, the yesi from scratch near greenfields. Okay. Greenfields are the yesi from scratch. And a brownfields near the order that ya discuss about bishop. There running nyina anya bosire mu kan niema ayaye say your performance tracker oko performance tracker no so log on projects ni nyina wo ho we obi aye chinyigifo a pictures wo ho locations wo ho it say kana so so unyi ni ya obehu say oh we say okede we say we oboadua we say we Akwapem South obehu location no obehu ba bi kra factory ni si it say oni obi we area ho na afre na krache say school na chi ho say factory bi o ye no kre kacho se madam e no kre esi ha se a me no ka se kra ha na migina ni nyina aye adwuma na Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni NPP aye unemployment rate yetimi aya ma na ba form na say a shoot up kakra because nipa edo so mo free school eba system ni mu no saa na beba but aban ni bon homodin bi NPP aban bon homodin bi say obia benya bibi na waye ye ba ye say create 2.2 million verifiable jobs ye ka say verifiable jobs enwuma a wo betimi di wani ehu ana say
ehun krata ho verifiable employment yi ehun krata na yi wo ho a wan kasa bon sa we di asem mo kan no kre na there onim say one district one factory no capacity of ebetimi nipa 170,000 ena ebetimi afa mo am betimi aye adwuma 170,000 for now but 170,000 na ye pese ye for mo ye adwuma no ebi mo start direct and indirectly ebi mo ye adwuma wo mu ni ade ba ye hia exemptions yi o say ye pass exemptions e fa ho asa na yetimi afa sa 170,000 na ye pese ye for mo no unim say this for asha de omoro team form etim form I imagine so omo exempt omo nyewe omo consent to the exemptions no e ma yentimi pass ma nipa no entimi 170,000 no entimi form mo nya adwuma na mo ko ba aban ya chi say unemployment rate cost na at the same time mo kro ya mo pass mo why me pass exemptions bill na e be na 170,000 no yetimi afọ ma ya adwuma o one district one factory companies nim na se yetimi fa say nipa na nya unemployment rate no na e ba form say 14% asa be ba be betimi aba be 12% anadi o my or the say